Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Jewelry Making Fun Challenge hosted by Dahlia Designs. So the challenge we have been given is to use turquoise, white, clear, metallics, have a snowflake theme, and make a turtleneck necklace. Well, I am not going to be making a turtleneck necklace because I don't wear turtlenecks ever. Here down in the South, we don't really wear mini turtlenecks. It's just too hot. But this particular necklace, if you wanted to lengthen it, it would be easy to do that, to make it longer, to wear with a turtleneck. I made this necklace, I think it was last year. I just put a jump ring on a charm and hung it on a chain that I measured out at 18 inches. But what I'm going to do for this necklace is I'm going to use the elements, the turquoise, white, and the metallics in with this necklace. I'm also going to add a little bit of gold, so we're mixing our metals. As far as the snowflakes go, I'm not actually doing a snowflake, but you know what? A snowman is made of a lot of snowflakes. So the first thing I did was I made some links with my beads. I have a loop on each end. And then I took the snowman off of the chain that was existing already. And I used the existing jump ring and added another jump ring and put everything together. Now, if I would not have added another jump ring, this snowman would have hung like this. So depending on how your charm loop is hanging, you may need to take that into consideration of how you're doing this. You may or may not need a jump ring, but an additional jump ring, but we did for this time. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these findings off of the ends here, and I'm going to use these jump rings to connect this to the chain. So I have everything put together except for the clasp. I just wanted to address something here. One of the challenges was to make a turtleneck necklace. Now, I never wear turtlenecks. Never, ever. I don't even think I own a turtleneck. Here down in the South, we don't really wear many of them. So I want to make something that I'm going to wear. So this is not going to be a turtleneck necklace. But if you wanted to, you could actually add additional chain or add additional links. But I'm going to keep it just like this. And it's still going to be pretty long. And I don't know, you might be able to use it as a turtleneck necklace. Well, let me finish this up. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to even these out and find the middle link here. And I think I'm going to have to cut it. If there's an opening, I'll just open it up. So let me go do that and I'll come back. And here it is all done. And you know what? If you had a turtleneck, not one of those cow necks, it would probably work. It's pretty, it's a pretty good length here. Probably a 22 inch. Let me measure it. So when I measured it, it's just under 22 inches. So I think it's going to work really nicely. You could put an extender on it if you'd like, or like I said, just add a little bit of length to it by adding extra chain or maybe a couple more links. And I did make some earrings to go with them. So this made a really nice little set. Let me ask you a question. Do you wear turtlenecks a lot and turtleneck jewelry? Let me know down in the comment section below. And I hope you go and check out Dahlia Designs and all the other participants and see what they made. All that information is down in the description box below. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.